this is my app. This is the interface of the app, the Coda app. So we are going to create a folder HTML. Before we can do anything under a web page, we need to have a folder in which all the things we are going to use to create our web page will be stored in it. So we need to create a folder. So you are going to tap on this plus sign. So after tapping on it, then you choose new folder. So I'm going to type my first web page. No, my first web, only my first web. Then I create my folder. Now I've created my folder. So inside the folder, I'm going to create a file. Inside the folder, I'm going to create a file. Now the file, I'm going to choose new file. Then my file will be named first, or let's name it index dot. Our extension should be HTML. Now the main reason why it needs to be HTML is in order for our computer to recognize it as a web content. Please, are we understanding it? So it should be saved as HTML, then we create. Now we are done creating our file. So when we click on it, it will open this interface for us to code. Hope you all understand. So please, we should all follow the step and create ours, and so that the class can continue. Thank you. Okay, so those using Android, this is a tutorial for you. So the first thing you have to do is to open your file manager. So this is my file manager. So after running your file manager, you go to your internal, either your internal or external. So I prefer using my internal. Then I create a new folder. I save my new folder as my site. Then you create. So after creating, you search for it. So okay, so this is my folder. When I open it, there's nothing in it. Then I go back, open my Sublime editor. So now inside my Sublime editor, I open a new, click on open. Then I will search for my folder I created. So the folder I created, my site. Then when the folder opens, then I click on this plus arrow to create a file in it. Then I type let's say site dot, always save your file as HTML. Then okay, then we are done creating our file. Then this is where you type in your boilerplate. So after typing your codes and you want to run it on a web browser, you're going to press this side, the three dots at your right top corner. Press it. Then you are going to see view on a web page. So you click on it, then it will open it on a web page for you. So kindly, this phone has a problem though, so it will run slow. So when you click on that, it will give you options to choose web page, browsers. If you're having more than one browser on your phone, it will open a list of the browsers for you to choose the browser you want to load the content with. Okay, so all those using iOS, after when we are done typing this, we want to run our code. So you can see something like an eye. Yeah, you just click on it, so it will load. So in here we don't really have anything in our body tag, so it won't show. Are you getting it? It won't show. So all those using the other using Android and or any other text editor, you are going to see that the name of your website will be displayed at the address bar. Are you getting it? It will be displayed at the address bar or the tab of the web browser. Are we getting it? Okay, so that is it.